Now let us discuss 67. For the chemical reaction, N2 gas plus 3 moles of hydrogen gas gives rise to 2 moles of ammonia. This process is called Haber's process. By using of Haber's process, we will produce as ammonia gas. The correct option is here. We observe the given options. They clearly indicate that they ask the rate of reaction. Now let us try to write the rate reaction of the given equation. The rate of reaction equal to minus of concentration of N2 by dt. That means a change in concentration with respect to time. Here negative sign indicates that nitrogen is consumed to produce ammonia. The negative sign present in reactant molecules. d of concentration of hydrogen by dt. Change in concentration of hydrogen with respect to time. This will equals to the positive sign. Why? Because a product is produced, there is no consumption of reactants. That's why d of ammonia by dt. We observe that 2 is present at numerator while writing in rate of equation it comes to the denominator. That means 1 by 2. This is the rate of equation for the above equation. That is N2 gas plus 3 moles of hydrogen gas gives rise to 2 moles of ammonia. This process is also called a Haber's process. Now let us verify the given options. That is change in concentration of nitrogen is equal to the positive sign of 1 by 2 into change in concentration of dt. Okay. So option 3 is our correct answer.